Celia. I saw a Twitter argument. In which the claim was that the Prince song catalog was more impressive than the Michael Jackson catalog. Discuss?
So, not factoring in that Michael Jackson was a monster?
Leaving that? No, just talking about the song catalog.
Just song catalog.
Yeah?
Off the top of my head, Prince might be better.
Prince also is one of like the greatest guitarists of all time too.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah, so are we talking about who's the better?
not that being able to sing and dance makes Michael Jackson lesser than Prince, but I tend to opt for the guitarist.
You know, I saw a Michael Jackson impersonator once live. Put on a heck of a show.
Wow.
Yeah, put on a heck of a show.
Oh really?
Yeah. This was a while ago, so I think there was like people knew that he was a freak, but it wasn't like full on like.
With
all
Bruno
the
Mars
details.
does the impersonation. Also really good.
Bruno's good. I guess
Bruno's
that's
great.
He did it on an SNL skit one time, and I, for one, was laughing.
I would say Prince greater than Michael Jackson.
That was what the argument that was going on Twitter, and this was all because of the whole Rolling Stone top 500 albums of all time thing.
And then, John, we could all agree Blink-182 greater than all.
Top 5 band of all
By
time.
the way, Rolling Stone, Travis Barker is their third greatest drummer of all time.
Is he really?
Yeah. Behind only
deserved.
Keith Moon and the Led Zeppelin drummer.
Pretty
Which
good.
was
Didn't the Def Leppard drummer only have one hand,
He did.
one arm?
He had like multiple foot pedals though, and he could still really give you the drum that you needed.
Did they do that whole
Rockin'
thing
the
too with the
one, yeah.
drum kit? Wouldn't they like rotate it and stuff and spin it?
Then of course there's bands like Slipknot who have two drummers because there's just so much action going on.
So much
They got
percussion.
two guys going crazy. They lift them up, they turn them upside down.
They want your head to be thumping like those
yeah.
drums.
Yeah.
You got to find you someone that you love as much as Rich Keefe loves Blink-182,
They're a good band.
or as much as Wiggy likes him some Cam Newton. And that's impossible.
Well, it's funny because I thought I was one of the bigger Cam Newton fans. I thought our guy Shime here was one of the bigger Cam
Not
Newton
even
fans.
close.
We've been left in the dust. I was so happy when they signed him. I said there was never a doubt. I said Stidham, Schmidham. I'm like, you'll never see this guy again. And now you introduce Wiggy to the conversation. It's like, forget about it. I look like a hater compared to Wiggy.
So that brought up something that occurred yesterday on OMS program, and let's just say, don't be afraid if you're a producer. The